Magandang umaga mga kapobre. So, andito po tayo ngayon sa Banana Plantation at nag-meeting ang ating mga ST at tayo po ay nakisali. Ito po ay isang SO dito.
Shout out sa mga supporter ni Dong Pobre. Supportahan lang ninyo. Thank you kayo. Thank you SO.
You could try to cut the corners. You could hide from everyone. But love don't know no borders. I'm someone you can't outrun. You could climb the highest mountains, I'd still find you at the top. And on the way down, I'll hold your hand so it doesn't seem that steep of a drop.